Sa labas, ha?
Oo, actually. Maraming beses kayong nagkasama ni Kokoy? Like, when was the first time you got to know him?
Yeah. I met him when I was 16. Napanganga ka.
And now you're how old?
I'm 73.
Oh, magkasing age kayo.
So, because of Repertory Philippines, his mother was one of the bosses there. And then I had a interesting childhood. I kept running away from home. And one of the homes I ran away to was the Laurel residence in Show Boulevard. So they're like family. The Laurel sisters. They even gave me a job in Doy Laurel's Senate office, receptionist. I was fired after 3 months.
Bakit?
I was a great receptionist, but I was a lousy. Nagkagulo yung filing system nila.
Pero how about Kokoy naman? Nagka-crush ka ba kay Kokoy? Joke.
Lahat naman nakaka-fresh. At the beautiful voice and the guitar. We used to go to the beach house in Mataguing. So, yun, nagka-crush lang. The friendship was more lasting. Pag magka-crush noon, pala naman nangyayari.
Pero sana all, di ba?
Hindi. Siguro hindi ko makakayanan yung political pressure ng family nila. Diba? Ang dami nilang dinaanan.
Pero bakit nga ba hindi siya pumasok sa politika, no? Ayaw niya talaga.
He's tried to stay up. As a matter of fact, I think it was in the news that he quit Miss Saigon. He had a very successful run. But when his dad ran for vice president, I think, with Cory, he came home to campaign.
That's pala.
Of son.
Oo. He was the secret weapon daw ng mga, he was the secret weapon daw ng mga campaign.
Yes.
Kasi he was playing. You worked with him a lot of times. I mean,
I love musical theater. Not so much in the movies.
Oo.
Kasi musical theater,
Yun naman talaga. So, how do you find him? I'm sure it's all superlatives.
What I said about Kokoy is that he's this very rare person that if you did a good job and then you excelled and then you had a standing ovation, he would be the first to be joyous and ecstatic and applaud for you.
He was so generous.
Usually, di ba yung mga iba mong kasama, yung may konting he was such a generous. The first one who would be so happy if you were successful was Kokoy.
Oo nga. He was that man.
Sabi ko, parang hindi totoo eh.
Oo. Santo.
Sobrang bait.
Last few years, how was your relationship with him?
We kind of drifted apart. Because I think he started reclusing himself already because of his back problem.
Oo.
So, hindi siya masyadong active as they moved out of the show Boulevard. But I would still do shows for his parents, and I would do shows for Celia in mga birthday parties, and I'm still a regular in that.
Oo, kasi you were a family friend, di ba?
Yes.
How long did you stay in their house?
1 year. Tagal din, ha?
Oh.
Tagal din, rent-free at food, all the food you can eat.
So, what's your fondest memory? Mga anecdotes?
I think it's just his smile. And then, he still makes me cry when he sings with his guitar. Because we used to go to the beach and in the Laurel residence. And he would just play the guitar sa bonfire. And somehow, his songs would bring tears to my eyes because it has so much feeling.
Pero ano ang anti-aging secret mo? Kasi parang ano ka lang, you look in the pink of
Wala
health.
akong asawa, wala akong anak.
Ganon nga daw. Ganon nga daw ang
Use it as a
secret.
joke, but it's probably true.
Yeah, I read that. Yung mga single, mas mukhang bata.
Yeah, ang dami namin problema. Siyempre, lang nag-aalaga sa amin, wala kami pwedeng, but in the end, I think my career makes me happy because it's comedy and it's music.
Oo nga, you pursue your passions.
Yes. So I'm very happy with, even if sometimes it's not very stable,
Oo.
but very few people can say how happy they are in their profession.
So is that the reason also, his passion, that's why hindi nag-asawa si Kokoy? Sa tingin mo? Kasi hindi rin siya nag-asawa.
He's the man for all people.
Okay.
There's not a particular, no particular person that he is close to. He's very close to his family, his siblings, all his friends. You haven't heard a single negative word about him.
Pero with Nora, it was also close, di ba?
Can you imagine somebody who Nora was able to trust for a long time? Because ang hirap din ang buhay ni Nora eh. Marami ding umabuso sa kanya.
Parang pareha silang generous, di ba? Pareha silang generous,
Oh yeah.
di ba?
Grabe.
Oo.
Grabe.
So if you were given a chance, last question, to address Kokoy now, what will you say
What will I say?
to him?
We have a term of endearment. Baby friend, how are you? He loved my term, baby friend.
Baby.
Baby friend. And he would always try to imitate it. We love you, we will miss you, but we know you will be very happy where you are.
Are you busy with these days?
Excuse
What
me?
are you busy with these days?
Ah.
You look good, I mean, healthy and ano, 7.
I am. Masama lang ang tuhod ko like all old people.
Oo.
We're doing a show with Cedric Reyes with Sex and the Seniors in Chatrino.
Uy, manood ako, parang,
July 26.
so it's about,
Sex and the Seniors.
oo,
But it's not so much about sex, but womanhood.
oo nga.
Tagal na namin na buhay, and ang daming misconceptions about womanhood and women of a certain age. Yan, it's comedy and music.
So, that's,
July 26, Chatrino.
oo.